Turn your Android smartphone into a hacking rig with Termux. Run Linux-based security tools directly from your phone. Set up a full testing environment in minutes with All-In-One Toolkits. Toolkits cover recon, OSINT, web app testing, wireless attacks, and malware analysis. Use only on systems you have permission to test. We'll cover 10 top toolkits from GitHub for practical hacking tasks, including reconnaissance, OSINT, web vulnerability scanning, wireless auditing, and reverse engineering Android apps. Let's dive in and master Termux with the top hacking toolkits of 2026. Hacking Tool sets up a pen testing environment on Termux or Linux instantly. Clone the Hacking Tool repository and run the install script for access to over 100 penetration testing tools. The script fetches and installs the latest versions for you. Tools include Nmap, the Harvester, vulnerability scanners, password crackers, and web exploitation frameworks. The menu-driven interface makes installation simple. Browse by categories like wireless attacks or forensics tools. Number 2 is Hacker Pro, a modular workbench with a central control panel. Manage and launch all your hacking tools from one integrated environment. Access the Hacker Pro console to organize and run your tools. Launch reconnaissance, exploitation, and post-exploitation tools from the same framework. All sessions stay organized in one terminal window, ideal for mobile screens. Add your own scripts or third-party tools to the main console. Run Hacker Pro in Termux and control everything from one interface. The F-Society Hacking Tool Pack offers over 500 security tools, all installable in Termux. Tools are organized in a menu for quick access to information gathering, vulnerability scanning, password attacks, and web hacking. Installation is simple, but the pack is large and may take time to download. Be prepared for possible dependency issues or outdated scripts. F-Society is a must-have for hands-on hacking on your phone. EasyHack is a fast, menu-driven toolkit launcher for quick pen testing tasks. Access network scanning, exploitation, and remote access tools from a simple menu. Launch Nmap scans or vulnerability checks without typing commands. Just pick your scan and go. Metasploit integration offers quick menus for payloads, listeners, and exploits. Generate payloads and set up listeners with a few taps. ngrok integration creates secure tunnels for reverse shells or phishing pages. Start a tunnel and link it to your listener in seconds. Automations for Nmap, Metasploit, and ngrok let you execute attack chains quickly in Termux. EasyHack saves time and boosts efficiency for practical pen testing. Xteam is a toolkit for social engineering, Android attacks, and Wi-Fi auditing. It provides scripts for social media OSINT, phishing, and Android device testing. Use it to scrape Instagram profiles, brute force Facebook accounts for authorized tests, and gather public social media data. For Android, it streamlines payload creation and deployment for security training. Demonstrate app data exfiltration, contacts, messages, or location in a lab. Includes Wi-Fi auditing, DoS attacks, evil twin APs, WPA, WPA2 handshake cracking. All features run on mobile, perfect for on-the-go assessments. Xteam is lightweight, responsive, and focused on practical tasks. Number 6 is Professor, a toolkit for automating OSINT and reconnaissance. It automates data collection, phone numbers, emails, and social media profiles. Dedicated modules let you select the data you need. Manual OSINT tasks are now automated. Subdomain enumeration uses brute force, dictionaries, and engines like Census and Shodan. Find forgotten servers and unpatched apps. Automates Google dorking with hundreds of search operators. Uncovers exposed logins, sensitive docs, and leaked system info. Quickly map a target's digital footprint. Professor is for information gathering, fast and thorough. Our 7th toolkit is QWuxScope, a mobile security analysis tool for Android applications. Use QWuxScope to analyze APK files directly in Termux. It performs static analysis, decompiling APKs and extracting key information. You get strings analysis to reveal URLs, API keys, and developer comments. It detects packers and obfuscation, flagging protected or suspicious code. The toolkit scans for suspicious permissions, API calls, and known malicious signatures. For example, it flags apps requesting SMS, contacts, and internet access together. This helps you quickly spot potential spyware. QWuxScope integrates with VirusTotal for automated hash checking. With QWuxScope, you have a full-featured mobile malware analysis lab in Termux. Fast, practical, and essential for Android security. At number 8, Nexus Multi-Tool stands out as a modern, customizable framework for advanced users. It's a full-featured toolkit with a sleek interface and powerful modules for OSINT, exploitation, and automation. The framework is built on a core engine with pluggable modules, making updates quick and easy. You can build custom attack scripts and workflows directly within the toolkit. Updates are pushed to individual modules, so you always have the latest features without reinstalling the whole toolkit. OSINT features are strong, with organized data collection and structured reporting. Automation is a key strength. Chain commands, automate scans, and log results with simple scripts. The scripting language lets you define custom attack chains and modules. You can automate your workflow and build tools tailored to your needs. Nexus Multi-Tool bridges the gap between pre-built tools and custom scripts, offering flexibility and a solid foundation. It's ideal for building a bespoke testing setup in Termux. For advanced automated workflows, Nexus Multi-Tool is a top choice. Number 9 is Termux Cyber Army, a curated hub for installing top cybersecurity tools in Termux. Instead of being a single tool, it's a menu-driven installer that lets you easily access and install a hand-picked set of effective tools. Just select a tool from the menu, and it automatically clones and installs the latest version from the original repository. Tools include brute forcers, scanners, and spoofers, each installed in its own folder for easy management. The curated list helps you avoid broken or malicious scripts and ensures you get trusted, up-to-date tools. Each tool is kept separate, so you can update or remove them individually without affecting your setup. If you don't need a tool anymore, just delete its folder. This keeps your Termux environment clean and organized. Termux Cyber Army is a fast, reliable way to set up a modular, trustworthy hacking toolkit in Termux. Number 10 is Awesome Termux Hacking, a curated reference list for ethical hacking tools that run on Termux. This resource organizes the best tools into clear categories like scanners, sniffers, information gathering, and exploitation. You can easily search, find, and select tools relevant to your needs. Each entry includes a one-line description and a direct installation command. Just copy and paste the command into Termux to install the tool. This makes setup fast and straightforward. Choose only the tools you need to keep your environment lean and efficient. Build a customized toolkit tailored to your workflow. The list is regularly updated by the community, ensuring you have access to the latest tools. Bookmark Awesome Termux Hacking for quick access. It's an essential resource for any Termux user focused on security. Here are the top toolkits that let you build efficient, accessible security testing environments right inside Termux. Use one-script installers like hackingtool for quick setup, or explore advanced frameworks like F-Society, Professor, and QWuxScope for specialized needs. These tools automate setup and management so you can focus on real security testing. Build a portable hacking lab on your Android device, quickly and easily. Always use these tools for learning, testing your own systems, or conducting authorized security assessments. Never use them without explicit, written permission. Responsible use is essential. Get written authorization before testing any target. Set up a home lab, test your own network, and deepen your understanding to better defend systems. Focus on learning the methods and reasons behind attacks, not just running scripts. Always act ethically and legally. The world needs more skilled defenders. Start your journey with responsible exploration and respect for boundaries. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and test ethically.